Want to live with Godzilla? This is the only Godzilla den in Taiwan, and it's like stepping into his personal hideout. Inside, you'll find special designs, roars, and Caillou energy everywhere. It's not just a hotel room, it's an adventure for fans of all ages. Let's head in and see what's waiting behind the door.
那这个的话是我们饭店的，就是帆布袋一起送给您。
好，谢谢。
那这个比较容易折到，您要小心拿哦。
谢谢您，谢谢，首先，
我这是3个主题的，那分别是台北、高雄跟9份。今天入住的是817，这边是给你们拍摄用的811。晚上明天你们可以再来一次。它就会再更小一次。那如果想要它安静、想要休息的话，这边有个一键变乖乖，按下去之后，哥吉拉就会闭嘴了。
Burning Godzilla is on duty, even when you're in the bath. Time to explore every detail of this burning Godzilla-themed hotel room. And guess what? You'll get 2 free Godzilla coffees just for staying here. This room's called Godzilla South Taiwan Landing because our giant friend is visiting southern Taiwan. So, would you stay here and let Burning Godzilla be your full-time bodyguard? Well, let's take a full look around. From the bathroom to the bed and every kaiju detail in between. Just imagine waking up in a place like this. And hey, if you think this room is wild, wait till you see the Godzilla -1 room. That one's coming up next, so don't go anywhere. And then the elevator told a story. Godzilla -1 lands in Jufen, storms through Kaohsiung, and heads straight for Taipei. That's one epic Caillou journey. Let's unbox the Godzilla -1 room. From the moment you walk in, you'll feel it. Godzilla is here to protect you, even when you're taking a bath. Yep, this big guy is your full-time Caillou bodyguard, and he's not taking a single break. This room is called Godzilla Landing in Taipei. Everywhere you look, you'll see him crashing into the city. From the city skyline on the walls to the epic bathroom art, it's like you're living inside a Caillou movie scene. And don't worry, I'll show you later what special gifts the hotel gave me, so make sure you stay tuned. Whether you're chilling in bed or brushing your teeth next to a giant Godzilla, this room is full of awesome surprises. Let's see how many Godzillas are hiding in this room. Let's check out this Godzilla den in detail, where every step feels like you've stepped into a Caillou adventure. Godzilla is everywhere in this room, from the walls to the bathroom. It's like he invited you into his private hideout in the middle of Taipei. And today, you're not just visiting. You're making friends with the king of the monsters himself. Oh, and stay tuned, because I'll also show you what special Godzilla gifts the hotel gave me, and how you might be able to get your hands on some exclusive hotel-only items too. This hotel gives you all kinds of Godzilla goodies, 2 awesome drip bag coffees, limited postcards, a cool red envelope, no money, sorry, a collector binder, and newspapers in Chinese and Japanese. And just for fun, I grabbed a Godzilla water gun toy to unbox. Can you guess which Caillou I got? Let's find out together. Do you like this cute character? Next stop, the hotel lobby, aka Godzilla's own den. You'll see walls full of movie posters. Multiple epic Caillou illustrations on display. And a giant Godzilla statue that's one of a kind. And then, I went back to Godzilla's hideout and took a bath with him watching over me. Yep, even in the tub. He still guarded me like a true Caillou buddy. Before bed, I watched some Glory Andy videos on TV with Godzilla by my side, of course. Next morning, I woke up and guess what? Godzilla's giant hand was still there, protecting me like always. Time for breakfast. I enjoyed mine, and I hope Godzilla liked his imaginary one too. And finally, it's time to say goodbye to my awesome roommate, Godzilla. Thanks for guarding me, chilling with me, and being the coolest Caillou ever. I'll miss you, big guy, and I hope one day I'll get to find you again somewhere in the world. Until then, stay strong, Godzilla.